Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Miss Childress from Track 3. I'm here today to walk you through Lesson 3 of Language Arts or English 3. Today we will watch another video to highlight Deaf History Month. We will then move through an article about the rise of dictators, and you have a brief learning check to complete as a Google form. Our learning targets for today have stayed relatively the same as last week. We're going to again be comparing text to images and analyzing two different types of mediums when it comes to nonfiction information. Let's go ahead and get started. So our agenda for today, like I said, we have our Deaf History Month video. There is a brief article on the rise of dictators in Europe, and then you will be checking your knowledge on the rise of dictators and fascism. Up this time for Deaf History Month is actor Niall DeMarco. He's got a really interesting story and background. Make sure you listen in for his family as he describes his family. Our essential questions for today have stayed the same as last week. While you're reading, we want you thinking about what were the implications of the economic hardships during the 1930s. Then after reading the article, how can we compare those hardships of the 1930s to the economic hardships that the world is now facing due to coronavirus? For the Rise of Dictators article, you can go here to go to the entire article to read it. It discusses the rise of dictators in Europe right after World War I, before, about 10 years before we're going to enter World War II. Make sure you're following along. You do have the timers here to guide you how long the article should take you. If you like to follow along while someone reads aloud, I do have the read aloud version for you right here. And once you are finished, you can click right here for the Google form to complete the comprehension questions on the article with our learning check for today. Friendly reminder, make sure you're staying on top of your social studies and language arts work. And remember, we are always available to you during office hours. We have those every day of the week. Let your language arts teacher know, or social studies, if you need anything else while we are working on this week's content. Talk to you soon.